Hello students, I want to teach you one fastest trick for trigonometric function. Let us find out very easily how to draw cos2x and cos3x within seconds. So if you know the CosX graph, for cos2x, just remember what is 45 table, means pi by 4 table. Just pi by 4 table, no need to change the graph at all. Just you put wherever this blue color, this table, pi by 2 table is there, just replace it by pi by 4 table. The graph remains as it is where it is, it won't change. Just make this a small change, your graph is ready. See, so simple. Now if at all you want to draw cos3x graph, let the cosx graph remain as it is where it is. 3x, if you want to draw cos3x table, just use 30-degree table which is nothing but pi by 6. So no need to change the graph at all, just change the numbers. The numbers will be, this will be nothing but pi by 6, this will be nothing but pi by 3, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 6 and pi. That's it. Is it so simple? Subscribe.